Good morning, students. Today we will do some question from exercise 3.8. Okay, and this exercise is, as you know, is to find the general value of theta. So we will discuss two most important questions today here. The first, the question number is question number 18, exercise 3.8. Question number 18, first part. 18, first part. And the question is under root 2 sec x, root 2 sec x plus tan x equal 1. And for this we have to find the general value of theta. See, this can be written as under root 2 sec x equal 1 minus tan x. Now under root 2 into sec x may be written as 1 upon cos x, and this can be written as 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Like this we can write. Now this is equal to under root 2 upon cos x equal cos x minus sin x upon cos x. See, cos x into 1, cos x into 1, cos x minus sin x upon cos x. So this can be written as cos x minus sin x upon cos x. Now cos x and cos x is cancelled out. Now the remaining terms are under root 2 cos x minus sin x. Now see here what can be written this one. See here, this can be written as under root 2 1 upon under root 2 cos x minus sin x cos into 1 upon under root 2, because under root 2 is cancelled out. So this is equal to under root 2, this is cancelled out and will be equal to 1, and this can be written as cos pi by 4, because cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon under root 2 cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 into sin x. See, this is the identity of cos a plus b. So this is equal to cos pi by 4 plus x and equal to 1 here. Now this cos pi by 4 plus x equal 1. This is equal to 1. Then cos pi by 4 plus x may be written as cos 0. Now it is of the form cos theta equal, this is of the form cos theta equal cos alpha. So this one will be x plus pi by 4 equal 2n pi, or plus minus here 0, because here is alpha is 0, so here is 0. So this one will become x plus pi by 4 equal 2n pi. Then what is the final answer? You can see here x equal 2n pi minus pi by 4 for every n belongs to I. This is the final answer. See here, x equal 2n pi, x equal 2n pi minus pi by 4. This pi by 4 will transpose to the right side. So this is the answer. X equal 2n pi minus pi by 4. Okay, students? See once again. Now come to the next question. Have a look and make a note. Come to the next question. The second part is cosec x equal, the second part 18 second part है cosec x equal cot x plus under root 3. This is written here. Cosec x equal cot x plus under root 3. So how can you find the general value of this theta here? See, cosec x written as 1 upon sin x, and this can be written as cos x upon sin x plus under root 3. Now transpose this one to the right side. This one will become 1 upon sin x minus cos x upon sin x equal under root 3. Now take the LCM. 1 minus cos x upon sin x equal under root 3. Do the cross multiply here. 1 minus cos x equal under root 3 sin x. Now here this is 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x upon sin x equal under root 3. If you will do the cross multiply, then it will become 1 minus cos x equal under root 3 sin x. Now do the square of this whole term on the both sides. So the square of this is 1 plus cos square x minus 2 cos x equal, the square of this is 3 sin square x. This is equal to 3 sin square x square of this term. Now 3 sin square may be written as sin square, may be written as 1 minus cos square x. So come to write here once again. This can be written as 1 plus cos square x minus 2 cos x. 1 plus cos square x minus 2 cos x equal 3 into 1 minus cos square x. 3 into 1 minus cos square x. Now simplify this one. This one will become 1 plus cos square x minus 2 cos x equal 3 minus 3 cos square x. 3 minus 3 cos square minus 3x square, x will transpose to the left side and will become plus 4 cos square x. So this is equal to 4 cos square x, and here this is equal to minus 2 cos x. So this is minus 2 cos x, and plus 3 will transpose to the left side. Here will be minus 3. So minus 3 and plus 1 minus 2 equal 0. Now divide the whole term by 2. Here we will get 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 equal 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic. Now you know how to factorize this equation. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. So the middle term are minus 2 and plus 1. So this one will become 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x plus 1 plus cos x minus 1 equal 0. Now the common in these two terms is 2 cos x, and the remaining are cos x 1 and here plus 1 cos x minus 1 equal 0. So again there is a common cos x plus minus 1 and in the next bracket 2 cos x plus 1 equal 0. Now here cos x minus 1 and 2 cos x plus 1 equal 0 may be written as either cos x minus 1 equal 0 or 2 cos x plus 1 equal 0. Either this one will be 0 or 2 cos x plus 1 will be 0. This, if you will take this one, so cos x equal 1 or 2 cos x equal minus 1. From the cos x equal for 1 cos 0 and for this 2 cos, sorry, this can be written as cos x equal minus 1 by 2. And you know the value of minus 1 by 2 for cos is 120 degree. So this can be written as cos x equal cos 120 degree. So cos x, here x equal cos x equal, if you will change 120 into radian, so see here 120 into pi upon 180. This is to change into radian. Cancel out 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 2 pi by 3. So this is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Now it is of the form cos theta equal cos alpha. So x equal 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. ठीक है, and from here x equal 2n pi plus minus 0. मतलब generally x equal 2n pi. Then if you will take 0, so this will not satisfy, and here there are two values of x, cos x equal 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3 and x equal 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3. If we are taking x equal 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3, then the equation which is given will not be satisfied. ठीक है, अगर x की वैल्यू 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3 लेते हैं तो इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगा cosec x इक्वल cot x प्लस रूट 3. ठीक है, और अगर 2n pi प्लस 2 pi by 3 लेते हैं तो इक्वेशन डेफिनेटली जो है आपका सेटिस्फाई होगा. तो x की जो वैल्यू आएगी, देखो x इक्वल एक तो 0 पे आपका सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है और दूसरा x इक्वल माइनस 2 पाई बाई 3 पे सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगा. तो फाइनल आंसर इज x इक्वल 2n पाई प्लस 2 पाई बाई 3. ठीक है, दिस इज द फाइनल जनरल वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा. बिकॉज if you are taking x equal 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3, then the equation is invalid. जैसे ही आप n इक्वल 0 के लिए n इक्वल x के लिए 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 रखेंगे इक्वेशन में, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड विल नॉट बी इक्वल. ओके, so this equation will satisfy only for 2 pi by 3. So this is the answer, x equal 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3, and this is the general value of the equation. I hope everyone is clear about these two questions. Thank you students.